Welcome once again to JA Insurance. It's your trusted host there, Joshua Agandoli, and today you see the title. How much life insurance do I actually need? It's a great question, really. It's a beautiful question. Well, it depends. It all depends, right? So I'm gonna just give a few scenarios. Let's say you're a single mother. We'll start here. You're a single mother, couple of kids, and their ages range from, let's say, 3 years old, and then you got a 9-year-old. Cool. Well, ask yourself this question. This is a great place to start. If I were to die tomorrow, what would life look like for my family for the next 18, 20 years till they're adults? What would life look like for them? Who's gonna pay the house rent? Boom, number one. Replace your house rent. Let's say you're gonna pay $12,000 a year in rent for the next 20 years for your kids. Do that math, 20 years times $12,000. Boom, put that into your life insurance policy. Okay, I wanted to contribute something to their, either they could go to college or they could start a business, or maybe you just wanted to buy a car for them when they both got to 18. Okay, whatever amount that is, let's say you want to go to college route. $50,000 for one, $50,000 for the next, $100,000, boom, throw it into your policy. Or let's say all your expenses, what are you paying monthly? Put that in for the next 20 years. Boom. So pretty much you want to replace everything you were going to do or you would have liked to do, depending on your budget and how much insurance you can afford. And we typically do that for term policies. So again, if you got some young children, you want a longer term. You want maybe 30 years, 20 years, 25 years, if you can get your hands on that. And yeah, that's pretty much how it comes down to. What do I want to replace in my life? What do I want to take care of? God forbid, life is not promised. If I die tomorrow, what does life look like? Okay, let's take another scenario. Let's say it's a married couple. There's 2 people in the household. Well, both people should be covered for sure, even if the mother or the father stays at home for whatever reason. Why? Because it's going to cost to replace that. If you have to get a nanny, God forbid somebody passes away. So the same math. If I died today, what would the family lose out financially? And typically, you can do all the math and precise calculations, or a lot of people just take their annual net income and times that by 15 and just throw that in there. So whatever way works best for you is the best way to choose. And we just want to make sure that our families are protected. Again, if I die today, what does life look like for my family? And that's just what it comes down to. All right, I hope this video was nice, quick, and short, and straight to the point. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Drop a like on the video. If you are looking for life insurance quotes, head over to our beautiful website, jainsurance.info. We're not going to spam you. We're not going to harass you. We're not going to call you. Trust and believe that. Go there and get your free quotes right on demand. You don't got to wait for most of them. Sometimes a whole life, we got to get you a custom quote because we got to enter it manually, but you're still going to get it in a short amount of time, and nobody's going to harass you. All right. Additionally, down below there's a budget Excel sheet. Free of charge. Take it and manage your expenses. Track everything in there, so you know what's coming in on a monthly basis and what's going out. And that will help you just see it clearly and visually so you can put things in the right place. And it just helps you that much further to get to your goals. Listen, it doesn't matter what financial situation you are in now. The only way you're going to get out of it is if you have a plan. Life insurance simply protects that plan and protects your kids. But you got to focus in. Whatever mistakes you made in your life, you got to look at it and say, I want to be changed. I want to just leave all those mistakes in the past. Learn from your mistakes and move forward. Mistakes don't define you. They only define you if you stop moving and you let them define you. But a free budget sheet down below. Use it for all your expenses, for your income, and it'll show you what your surplus is, so you can know how much you can afford to put into your retirement account. You can know how much you can afford to put in your life insurance, how much you can afford to put in just your casual fund and disposable income. So pretty much, I'm rambling at this point. Thank you so much. I love you. I hope to see you at the next one. Take care now. Bye for now.